Okay, I want to talk about theme versus topic. This is just a common error that I see when we talk about theme in context of anything. So when you hear, what's the theme of this story? A lot of common answers are like justice or revenge, love, kindness, things like that. That's a lot of what you say. And these actually are not themes. These are just topics. So a topic is like a one-word answer. It's just a thing, justice, revenge. These aren't themes. They're just a topic that the book covers. In order to make it a theme, you need to specify what does the author think about that topic. So instead of just justice or revenge, revenge is deadly, or revenge will kill you in the end, or revenge should not be sought. Or it could be love is the most important thing in the world. That's the theme of, if we look at the movie Enchanted, true love and the concept of true love is a topic explored, but the theme is that true love is the most important thing in the world. At the end of the day, that's the lesson the creator wants us to get from it. But let's look a little more closely. Let's use Shrek as an example, because I think we've all seen Shrek. So a topic in that one, a big one, is beauty and how you look. And you wouldn't just say beauty or looks. That's just a topic. That's not the theme. So the theme or the message, what does the creator of Shrek think about beauty? I think beauty comes from within. Rather, it's not how you look. Something like that. So simple. So a theme still doesn't have to be this like big, complicated thing, but it's a fully developed idea. So when you're talking about the theme in your book, it can't be, courage. You got to elaborate on what is the message that we're getting from the story. And that's really it. That's the difference. Make sure you don't have a one-word answer. Make sure it's fully developed in order to be a theme.